So let's move to the most interesting bead of this reference. According to my opinion, I love this bead. I love the color, I love the transparency, and how the thread shows through. So I'm using cerulean blue, watery cerulean blue as my base first. A little bit of yellow in the middle because I can see a slight yellowish greenish tinge, so I've used a lemon yellow watery, which is mixing with the blue, making it greenish. Towards the two sides, the cerulean blue is quite dark, so I let the base dry out a little and then I added this, and even at the bottom, and I'm blurring it out on the two sides. Now I used a little bit of black to make the thread in the middle, and I let this whole thing dry and then complete that bead. I'm going on to the other bead, that is the silver color bead, and I'm making the light gray again in my palette. So we always juggle between the objects to allow it drying time.